Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to set visible time of your snaps in Snapchat. For this, first of all, check if your Snapchat app is updated to its latest version. For this, go to your Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat. And on Snapchat, you can see I have open button here. It means my Snapchat app is updated to its latest version. Now I will open my Snapchat app. You can see I am on my Snapchat app, and if I take any picture on Snapchat, you can see I have taken the picture. You can see I have this small button here, the last option. Just click on it and it is set on no limit. You can set it from 1 second to 10 seconds. For example, if I set it to 10 seconds and then just click on set. Now this picture is set to 10 seconds. Next, I will just send it. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.